In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ruler in Microsoft Word. If your ruler is missing or it appears a little off, don't worry. This is a quick and simple fix. The ruler is that horizontal guide along the top of your document that helps you see margins, control indents, and place tab stops. It's especially handy for aligning text neatly, so having it visible and accurate can save you a lot of time and frustration while formatting. The most common solution is simply to turn the ruler on. Here's what that means in practice. Look toward the top of Word for the ribbon, where all the tabs live. Click the tab labeled View. This area controls what you see while you work. Inside the View tab, find the section that lets you show or hide elements on the screen. In there, you'll see an option called Ruler. If the box next to Ruler is unchecked, the ruler won't appear. Click to check it, and your ruler should immediately display across the top of your document. This doesn't change your content, it just reveals the visual guide that helps you format more precisely. If your ruler appears but it looks wrong or shifted, maybe the 0 point doesn't line up with the page edge, the indent markers seem out of place, or something just feels off. Try a quick reset. Staying in the View tab, uncheck Ruler to turn it off. Give it a second, then check Ruler again to turn it back on. This simple off and on toggle refreshes the display and often clears out minor glitches so the ruler aligns correctly with your document. Think of it as a quick visual reset that doesn't affect your text, styles, margins, or layout, only how the ruler is shown on screen. Once the ruler is on and aligned, you can use it confidently to set first-line indents, hanging indents, and tab stops by dragging the small markers. If you're just here to get the ruler back, you're done. If you're planning to format more deeply, having the ruler visible makes it easier to see exactly what's changing as you work. To recap, turn the ruler on by going to the View tab and checking Ruler. If it looks off, toggle it off and back on to reset the display. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to clean, consistent formatting with confidence.